Do you have hiccups?
Yes.
Well, you're in luck, because I know cures. Do you have water on you?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, no, you keep the water.
Oh.
What I want you to do, okay, you're gonna have to run around in a tight circle and take a sip.
You sure?
Yeah, go
right.
counterclockwise.
All right, counterclockwise.
You're better now, right?
No, I still have hiccup.
Okay, wait. I want you to jump up and down, and then move.
All right. Moo! Moo!
No, okay. What I want you to do, I want you to say, hiccups, hiccups, go away, but in a British accent.
Hiccups, hiccups, go away. Come again another day. I added that.
No, don't do it like you mean it, though. Like you really mean it. Go.
Hiccups, hiccups, go away. Come again another day.
No, huh?
Man,
Okay.
you know what?
What?
You're making it worse, I think. You come here, you tell me that you have a cure for hiccups, and you make me do all this ridiculous stuff. I'm out in the street, people see me, and you're making a fool out of me, and you're not doing anything to get rid of my damn hiccups. Now, what do you got to say for yourself?
You don't have hiccups anymore, do you?
No, I don't. Hey, man, thanks.
No problem.
All right, great.
Every time it works.